we are Hello everyone. In last video I have started to solve MCQ question which have been asked in GATE exam. Today I will continue same thing. The next question is, consider the regular expression 0 plus 1 n times the minimum state finite automata that recognize the language represented by the regular expression. In this question you have to find out minimum number of states required to represent given regular expression in the form of DFA, means transition diagram. Actually there are 0 plus 1 concatenated to each other n times. So if we start for construction of DFA, then we need a start state and another state if we as a final state. If we 0 plus 1 implement on the S, then we need two states. If we want another 0 plus 1, then we have to need another state. So by comparing it, we can get, if we accept 0 plus 1 once, then we need two states. If 0 plus 1 two times, then we need three states. It means to accept n times we need n plus 1 state. So n plus 1 state, it means option B is correct. Let us check it is correct or not. It is given n plus 2. There is some wrong things I have taken, I think. Let us try again. 0 plus 1. Once if actually why there is one more state needed, I have got it. Actually when we label this as by 0 1, it's okay, it is accepting 0 plus 1 once, but there is some rules that is given in DFA definition, then that is there must be a transition for each symbols from every state. Here we have transition for both symbol 0 and 1, but here we have not transition. So we need to add dead state. It will remain final state, but we need another state as a dead state which will complete the requirement of complete the requirement given in DFA definition. So what we have got, that we have need three state to accept 0 1 once. Actually this is not, this is just to remain the definition of DFA, and we should transition from the final state with 0 and 1 both symbol. If we apply 0 1 in another form like self loop, then it will accept many times 0 and 1. So we cannot do this thing. If we add this state, then it will also undesirable. So we have only one option to add 0 1 from final state to remain definition constraints. So we have need three states if we accept once 0 plus 1. In same way, if two times we want to accept 0 plus 1, then we need four state. One is final state, one is intermediate state, and one is initial state, and one is dead state. So by argumenting this way, we can conclude that we need exactly n plus 2 state. This is given here in the transition diagram in the answer explanation part. This is dead state that we have used, and this rest thing is same. So we have to care about the definition, whatever given in the definition, otherwise solution may be wrong. In this question, we can see that there is given two languages S and T, and both over alphabet A and B represented by regular expression A plus B asterisk whole asterisk and A plus B whole asterisk respectively. Which of the following is true? That have been asked. Actually, we can see that this is always as a universal set over alphabet AB, means it include all strings which we can form by taking two symbols A and B in any order, in any number of times, means in any manner repetition of any symbols. So there is no other string remains which it have not included. So this is universal set, it will include every string. But look this regular expression. Actually this B asterisk have a lot of values like null B, double B, triple B, so on. So at a time we can take one of the values among these. Let us, if we take B, then what will be the result? The result will be same thing, A plus B whole asterisk. So in this situation we can conclude that it is just equal to this one. But when we take null, then it will be subset, it will generate subset of this set. If we take double B, then none string extra will be generated, because it already included all strings which it will generate by taking value of B asterisk as a double B. In same way, if we take triple B as a value of B asterisk, so it will generate none extra string, just it will generate subset of A plus B asterisk, because A plus B asterisk will generate all the strings which we can form by taking two alphabet AB in any order, any number of times. If you want to realize it, then just see the diagram for A plus B whole asterisk, which is given here. A plus A comma B, make just initial and final state same, because it will include null string also, because there is closure given over A plus B, so we can conclude this one. And if we want to double B, then just traverse this string, this as twice, so you can get double B. If by considering label B. If we want triple B, just consider label triple B, just traverse thrice this loop by considering label B. So no string will be generated other than this one, so both will be equal to this one. Every string which it also have, because its one of the value is B, so just it will be equal, and for all other values of B asterisk it will include just a subset of A plus B asterisk. But in the case of when we take value of B asterisk as a B, it will generate all, it will be just equal to A plus B whole asterisk. So don't confuse that B asterisk have different values and it will generate extra string. So if you have your concept clear, then for other values of B asterisk it will just generate subset of this one. So the option will be correct, yes is equal to T. Let us try to check. Yes, it is correct. Now move to next question, in which it is given, let L denote the language generated by the grammar S is producing 0 S 0 and double 0, and there is 4 options which have given and ask which one of the following is true. Just see that 0 S 0 and 0 0. What is, every time you just start with smallest string that is generated by either by given grammar or either given by regular expression or by language in the roster form or tabular form, any form. So just try every time smallest string that it will generate or include. If we start S is producing double zero, then definitely it will generate smallest string double zero. If we use this production rule once and then S eliminated by this value, then it will generate 4 times 0, and in other cases 6 times 0, and so on. So what we have got, that it is generating number of 0 in even number of times. Now observe each and every option, why particular option is correct, why particular option is incorrect. If we move to first option, then we can see that it is given L is equal to 0 plus, which means it will generate all the strings of zeros in which number of 0 is any times, maybe any times, like even times or odd times, so it cannot be correct. But if we move to this option, L is regular but not 0 plus, then it may be correct, because there is no doubt that L is not regular, because we can realize the language generated by this given grammar in the form of DFA, that is in the form of transition diagram of DFA. If you want to construct a DFA which recognize even number of 0, then it is very easy to realize. Just label here 0 and here is also 0, make it final state and just make a feedback path with label 0, then every time you will get even number of times 0. Just check it, 0 and 0 even times. If we use this as, then third time 0, but it is not final state, so it will be not valid string. We have to move using this as to final state. So 4 times 0, in same way 6 times 0, 8 times 0. So there is no doubt to be L is regular, but it will definitely it will be not equal to 0 plus, because it will include even number of times zeros and odd number of times 0. But actually but here is accepting only even number of times 0, so it is not correct. About this is not correct, because given context free and regular, this is given context free, so both options are incorrect. So only B option may be correct. So let us try. L is context free. Here L is context free but not regular. It is wrong. Actually there is no doubt it is here it is given wrong answer. Actually correct answer is this one. You can check it from other sources, because we have given already that it is it can be we can construct a regular DFA for the same thing. So there is no doubt here it is given incorrect answer. So definitely it will be correct. So just check with another source, you can check. Now move to another question. Consider the following two statements, 0 to the power 2n and n is greater than equal to 1, and in S2 statements it is given 0 power m, 1 pe power n, 0 pe power m plus n. So to check it is correct or incorrect, it is very easy. It will be definitely correct, because just I have checked that 0 pe power 2n option in previous question, so it is correct. This is given about even number of zeros, and here we cannot say that it is regular, because to recognize such language we need an additional memory that is available in push down automata with the help of stack. So because here it is given that number of zeros and number of ones must be equal to number of zeros after ones, so it need matching, so it is not correct. So S1 is only correct. Let us try. It is given here correct, but in previous question you can also sure about that our which option I have given correct, that is L is regular but not 0 plus, because this is same language, it is accepting 0 to power 2n, so it is correct that it should be regular language. But in one way we can say that it is not regular. If we consider, actually one way is here that it may not be regular, because if we directly observe the production rules, because here the production rule is type 2, it is not right linear or left linear, so in this way we can say that it is not regular. Otherwise the language generated by it is regular language. So whatever it is given in the question, that is production rules, and production rule is not in right linear form, so it should be context free. Our discussion conclude that it is, this answer is correct, because this is not type 3, so it is actually type 2, so it is correct, means answer given here is correct, no doubt. Just move to next question. In this question given that an arbitrary non-deterministic finite automata with n states, the maximum number of states in an equivalent minimized DFA is at least. So it is actually conceptual remembering based question. Its equivalent DFA will definitely max number of state more than n DFA, but when we go for minimization, then maybe some states will be reduced. So if we think about their subset nature, where it is transiting as a next state, then definitely this will have 2 to the power n different state. Now question is that about reduction or minimization. It is not necessary that it will reduce or the number of state will be reduced, because here is given about maximum number. So maximum number of states may be 2 to the power n. So just check what is the actual answer. Yes, it is correct. So the concept that we have used, that actually while we are constructing the states, constructing the DFA from NFA, then we have to combine the states as a new single state, and you can combine the states given in NFA in same way as we have to construct subsets of a given sets, and the number of subsets that we can form by n element sets that will be 2 to the power n. So this will be correct answer. Now move to next question, that is the regular expression 0 asterisk 1 0 asterisk whole asterisk denotes the same set as. So then just see that this is given 0 asterisk 1 0 asterisk and 0 asterisk. You can use identities, you can use anything that will give your required answer, but there is easiest way to just think what will be smallest string. Smallest string, if we take null value from this one also null, because here also given asterisk. So the null strings, if we goes to this option, then we go to this option, then here is given asterisk, here is given asterisk, so here is possible also null. In this option 0 plus 0 1 plus 0 asterisk, either this will be or this will be. If we take this one, then also we can get null, because here also asterisk, but this may not be correct answer, because in this smallest string is 1 0. So the chances is only here and here that may be correct. Now think the next string, that is smallest string may be 0. If we take null from here and from here 0, just check it can generate 0 or not. Definitely it will generate 0 if we take here from null, from here null, and from here 0, and traverse the loop once. Here there is no doubt that is 0. Now move to 0 1 0. 0 1 0 can be formed or not. 0 1 0 also can be formed here. 0 1 0 can be formed here also, because traverse the loop using 0, then use this one, and next you move to use 0 here from. So this will be also generated, and next string, if we take 1 0 1 0, that can be generate from here. 1 0 1 0 can be also generated from both places. So A, B both may be correct, but let us try. So here is given none answer, none of the above. We will discuss this question later on. Actually it needs some more explanation. Next question is, consider the set summation asterisk of all strings over the alphabet. Null summation is equal to 0 1. Null summation asterisk with the concatenation operator for the string. Does not form a group, forms a non-commutative group, does not have a right identity element, form a group if the empty string is removed from this one. Consider the set. Set means input alphabet set, and input alphabet set, this will have every combination of the input alphabet, and alphabet set have given 0 and 1. 0 asterisk with the concatenation operation for the string. Now concatenation operation we have to use, and elements will be here strings in this one. it will have null string, is which is most important string because it is identity element with respect to concatenation operation. So concatenation operation, so there is identity element, there is no problem. So does not have a right identity element, it cannot be correct. Forms a group with if the empty string is removed, this is also not correct because null is actually empty string, and we must have identity element because group hold four properties. First one is closure, that is different closure. Actually after operating the elements, we must the result must be in same set, that is closure nature. And next one is inverse law, identity law, and one is inverse identity, one more law actually I am not getting. And to be abelian group, it need commutative. Now we have to check commutative group, about commutative group, because it there is issue about identity element. Identity element to about inverse element for every element. Think about if A is an element from summation asterisk, and there is no element as a inverse which can yield null. So there is no chance to be a group. Let us try which answer is correct. Yes, it is correct. So only one thing is that it is not fulfilling inverse law. Rest another law it can hold easily, but because after operating any string any another string, what it will actually form, it will definitely in the summation string because it already have all possible strings. So no problem about closure law, no problem about identity law. And one law is that I am not getting, I think so, no, only issue about inverse law. Next question is, which one of the following over alphabet 0 1 is described by the regular expression 0 plus 1 asterisk 0 0 plus 1 asterisk 0 0 plus 1 asterisk? Which one of the following language over the alphabet 0 1 is described by the, so just you have to get equivalent, not actually equivalent, just you have to see that which one is same. And I think equivalent you have to opt among them equivalent one. The set of all string containing strings substring 0 0. So there is no doubt because 0 0 is here compulsory. The set of string containing at most 2 zeros, no, this is not correct because we can get more zeros from here also. The set of all string containing at least 2 zeros, it may be correct because here is constraint that it have at least 2 zeros, that is here. And substrings, oh, this may not correct, I have not actually concluded right away. It may not correct because it is not necessary that both 0 comes consecutively, there is separation, it may be once only. So for every string it cannot be correct, this will be correct. This looks like more correct. The set of all strings that begin and end with 0 or 1, it may be also correct, but the main constant is given here. Let us check. Yes, it is correct. So the answer, so I have just ending today discussion, and next question I will discuss in next video. Thank you.